No!
Is it falling off?
I just dropped the block. And now I've run out of arm. This is it, isn't it? The Handbrake?
Yeah. Far too loose at the moment.
Yeah, you adjust it here.
Okay.
Because it's this, isn't it? This spring? You tighten this nut, and it will drag it up this spline.
I literally can't see.
Okay, well it's here.
Okay.
So I need to get a spanner.
Right. Has it got a lock nut on it though?
It has a, no, it just has a nut. Here,
Okay.
it's just a nut.
You may find that's difficult to turn.
There's another nut there as well. No, it just sits on a carrier. This is like the carrier for the two Handbrake cables.
We'll give it a go, but it might need some
That's the
WD-40
front of the car. So we want to drag it towards the Handbrake, do we?
Yeah, you want to tighten it,
That's it. And if this doesn't work, it's the rear calipers, that's what this is. All these are just buggers.
Well, it depends how much adjustment you got. You've got thread to go down, do you?
Yeah, look.
There's a hole in the end of the thread, so you can put a screwdriver through, so you can undo the, hold it while you undo the nut. Or do up the nut. I can see a hole because I can see daylight through it. There's a fair way to go, I think, to tighten the cable. Now just see if the front one or back one, depending on where you are, you tighten it.
Oh, that's loose.
Oh, good.
Is the handbrake on at the moment?
No, it's off.
Apparently before you do it, you're supposed to pump the handbrake 3 times and then put it
Yeah,
down.
well, we need to do it. Have you done it up a bit, have you?
Oh, I thought I was just going to keep going. What do you want
And
to do?
then we need usually about 5 or 6 notches on the handbrake. Although that, you've tightened it up considerably already, Jim. Right, let me just see what that's like before we go any further.
Less?
I'm not sure, maybe that might be too far.
Okay.
Yeah, there.
There, yeah?
Yeah. No tighten on that.
And then bring this back down to it.
Yeah. And then lock them.
Is that enough? Do you think that needs too tight, is it? That's tight there. Alright?
Yeah, I think so. You wouldn't want it any tighter than that, wouldn't you? Okay.
There's a lot of travel left on these threads both ways.
That's good.
It's not even halfway. Okay. You said that's not the right hole?
It's the hole.
It's not the right one. What if it's not the right one?
It is the right hole.
Are you sure? It doesn't want to go in?
What's this one here?
I mean, you're putting it in the right hole in the tray?
Yeah, I've got a nut on it, isn't it?
Yes, it's got like a retaining thing on it.
Oh, like a nut then. Where's this one go?
No, that's what mine went through.
This has got a nut on it.
That's what it has. That's what they're using.
Alright.
Don't question Mr. Toyota.
Basically, just bouncing it around.
They go through both trays.
Oh, what do you mean?
The nuts go through both trays. We're being stupid.
Water. Honestly.
I'll do it as
It's
well.
true what your mum says. Absolute waste of space.
She never calls you a waste of space.
Never achieved anything.
Has she ever called you a waste of space?
Oh, always.
And your stomach waste space.
I'm now holding my shirt over my stomach. You see, I'm one-handed because I'm holding my shirt.
Slut. You done yet? You done? Come on.
Stop being such a complete moron. Oh look, there's the washer. There's a washer stuck on it. I don't need...
Oh, why did I take my gloves off? What, I'm just covered in filth.
Oh, so you can do it properly.
What? No, wearing gloves just means you don't have to wash your hands every 30 seconds. I don't know. Why won't this nut now go in? Oh, piss. Where's that gone? Oh. It's a bite joke. It won't go in.
Mallet.
No, you don't mallet it. Okay, the bolt has now decided to become one with the socket. There we go.
That is cleared up in there. That's right.
You just sheared a bolt off?
No,
Thanks,
it's
that's really helpful. Oh. You know what you are? What's the thing?
There's no split bolt in there.
You can't get the bolt in the hole.
Yes, you can. Try harder. Can you let me get into this one? You had it in just now.
Yes, I know, and I look at the other thing over it, and now it's like it's being pulled by the other one. I've done it. I think it's cross-threaded, but never mind. We'll never have to take it off again.
No, you need to put the one in the middle.
No, it's alright, I've just stabbed myself in the head with it. I need another one for over here as well.
I've got one in my hand.
Yeah, but don't you need that one?
Where does it go?
Over here.
Oh. I can't fit there.
I don't think this is the right thread.
So they're all the same thread here.
No, but it's going in the hole and just spinning, see?
That's because you're undoing it.
Oh. Did you see the video of the man in his new Porsche Taycan launch it off the wall? And
Yeah, on top of the BMW, yeah. Very good.
Oh, fuck. You know something that's not fun is the constant imminent possibility of a car falling on your head.
You can't go anywhere, the wheels are on the car.
Yeah, but it could. Yeah, Dad, think about how low it is. If it fell now, jam. Forget A&E, and straight to the morgue.
It'd be all of us as well.
All of us would be dead.
Mum would lose her entire family.
Mum would also have no idea how to jack it up.
What do I do?
We'd be stuck there dying whilst Mum phones the fire brigade. No, she'd be crying. She wouldn't even get anything out. It's like, my whole family had died. I was too sad to help them.
Another bolt.
Yeah. Nice and tight. Never.
Oh, hang on, have you didn't undo the bolt
I've
with that,
got-
did you?
Oh, yeah, I still got what to do. Oh, that one's undone. That one's missing. You know what? Something isn't quite important though. We've forgotten. We didn't put any copper grease on these.
That's fine.
Where does it go? I'm really just hurried. Where's the next one? Oh, it's over here.
That's the last one.
Have you got? What, are yours all in, or are you?
Well, this one is sheared off, so I can't put it in.
When did you do that?
I didn't do that,
Oh,
it was
for
missing.
God's sake,
That's why I said
man.
it didn't make that noise.
Christ, Joe, I don't know what. How do you get that out these
I put a
days?
bit of sticky foam over it so it doesn't bang on.
Oh, you and your stick. Remember to clean the surface first, otherwise you're just sticking dust to the sticky dust. I'm really pissed off they gave me general suspension corrosion. I'm genuinely irritated. Bunch of assholes.
Have you not got rust?
Joe, I have new suspension. Remember?
Oh.
Cost me almost £1,000.
Yeah, and it's rusty.
Not. A
Made a
couple of the
mistake, shouldn't have
arms are a
bought
little
it.
corroded, but they're covered in thingy. You just feel a wonder. There we go. Hang on.
Oh, you prick. Why are you grabbing my head?
You gotta get out. Oh. Where's your phone?
Fuck you, mine.